Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can update your KYC in Dubai Islamic Bank online. So first is you have to wait for notification from DIB. So if your KYC needs update, DIB will typically send an SMS or message with an eKYC with web link to your registered mobile number. So you can use the provided eKYC link to access the update form. So through that link, you will be able to update your details and upload required documents online. So next is you have to prepare necessary documents or information. So typically this includes passport, which is the first and last pages, and then valid Emirates ID, the front and back, visa or the resident status, your updated nationality, residency info, occupation, or residency details, and sometimes source of income or anticipated transactions info. So if you have new Emirates ID, you can email a copy, which is the front and back, along with your account or the CIF numbers to the DIB specified email. So for this is for ID updates. So you just have to submit the form and the documents, upload the scanned or the photographed copies via the online form, and then review your entries, then submit. Now, once submitted, your updated details should be processed and your account services reinstated. This is for most customers, so this can take a few hours, so you just have to wait. And then lastly is await confirmation. So DIB will update their records and you should receive confirmation via email or SMS when it's done. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.